Well, you were saying today, kind of a day that not a Chamber of Commerce day, you would say.
No, certainly not a day you're going to be like, yeah, let's go outside and enjoy ourselves. No, but it's one of those days that make you appreciate days like tomorrow and the day after that. We're getting back up to the 80s. Yeah, there's always a positive in every negative weather story. But as far as what we have going forward, better weather. This is tomorrow's forecast. Starting off with some fog, of course, it makes sense. All the moisture that we've gained from all of that drizzle throughout the day today, and about an inch of rainfall throughout the last 24 hours for those out in the southeastern counties. So yeah, fog is on the table, patchy in nature. As we go throughout the day, though, breaking in some sunshine and warming that temperature up, it's going to be a nice one. Only showers that are really hanging around now are what's in Pike County and maybe just a little bit further west, but that's probably drizzle, if anything, up near Prestonsburg. A little bit of heavier rain, and I say that with it being mostly just light shower activity, moving out of Pike County at this point across the Virginia state line. When you look at the big picture, though, we have been lucky with this system. It's been to our south, and so where the severe weather has been well to the south, and so now crossing from Georgia into South Carolina and even getting up to portions of North Carolina, there have been some very strong thunderstorms, severe, in fact, and some tornadic as well. None of that affecting us, and now we're looking towards the west. We have a low that's crossing into Nebraska from Colorado at this point, and so with it, we get the warm front, then the cold front, and of course the rain and thunderstorm activity that goes along with it. When you look at the cloud coverage, it's been a pretty persistent cloud deck, a little thinning over the last couple of hours, but not much in the way of sunshine, and as we go throughout the rest of the day, don't count on much. So for the low, it's moving out of our forecast area, out of the region to be in fact, and now the warm front from the next storm will start to lift up north. It brings in more cloud coverage at first. That's the moisture. The instability is there with the low pressure, the necessary ingredients to blossom up more showers, more thunderstorms. And so things are certainly going to become turbulent throughout the middle of the work week. And then, of course, the cold front will slide through on Thursday, and it keeps the activity going. So on the future track, we'll go ahead and put it into play. And you see the rain moving out by about midnight tonight. It should be completely finished. Still very cloudy for the southeastern counties. Notice the breakup, though, in the clouds back towards the west. But everyone gets it back when the fog starts to become a thing. And I've stopped it there to show you that, yes, even back into the bluegrass, there will be some patchy fog to deal with throughout the morning tomorrow. But it lifts, it breaks. The sunshine starts to come back out. Temperatures are going up. And as we go into Wednesday, even as we get the cloud coverage back, we still go nice and warm into the 80s for the afternoon on Wednesday. With the showers and the storms, of course, that comes with the warm front. And as it lifts, it brings in those thunderstorms. And so some heavy downpours, a few strong wind gusts at times, maybe even some small hail with some of this. But of course, with the fact that these storms are coming through and we have the necessary ingredients, the potential for severe is there. It's low, but it's there. Some of these storms could push severe limits. So something to be mindful of and keeping an eye on, especially the future track over the next 24 hours and seeing what happens with this system. Bulk of the rain has been southeast, and that's where the thickest of the fog will be throughout the day tomorrow, the longest lasting fog. Now, the rain comes back for the northern half of the forecast area as we go throughout the middle of the week, because that's where the strongest of the thunderstorms will sit. So when they roll over your location, expect some pretty heavy downpours. Temperatures go up, they go back down. It's a turbulent forecast. It's an active forecast. You get a warm front, you get a cold front, and so the temperatures follow suit. Up to the 80s by Wednesday, back down to the 70s and even the low 70s on Friday. But it's all going to be worth it. Let's get it all out of the way, because for the weekend, Memorial Day weekend, we get the sunshine back. Temperatures are getting back up to the low 80s on Saturday, the mid 80s by Sunday. Very summer-like as we're starting the